Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Rizzy, your beauty buddy. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this would be the perfect time to do so, and do not miss the notification bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload. Today's video is the most requested one and kind of my go-to look whenever I step out and want to create an impression without looking extra. Globally, it's called the no makeup look. I start with applying Loccitane Immortelle Reset Toner. It's very hydrating and feels refreshing on my skin. I use a few pumps and press it into my skin with the help of my palms. The most important part of no makeup look is your skin, so you have to diligently prep your skin before you apply any layer of makeup. Green tea serum from Innisfree is my holy grail. This is like my fifth or fourth bottle, and whenever I run out of this, my skin just misses it. I can feel it. My skin becomes dull and lifeless. So I always keep a spare in my vanity. It is a bit on the higher end price, but it's what suits my skin really well. For the past few days, I'm using the scent Botanica niacinamide serum, and this has made such a huge difference in my skincare game. I usually shuffle between niacinamide and vitamin C serum from Plum. They help make my skin clearer and glowier. Currently, I'm also using Organic Harvest Vitamin A cream. It's really lightweight and nourishing at the same time, just the perfect combination of hydration. And for my dry skin, I think this is the best. I used to be a dry skin, but I feel now I'm more on a combination side. So lightweight creams are my jam nowadays. We cannot forget under eye cream, and this is one of my recent favorites. This is reequil under eye cream, and just a disclaimer, you have to be a regular to see visible changes in your dark circles, which I believe is the case with any kind of under eye cream. Nowadays, it's all about glow, and what best to use for that goddess like glow than the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I will use this all over my face and blend it with my hands. I love the subtle glow this gives my skin. This next step is optional, and I recommend to do it only if you have dark under eye circles or sunken eyes. All you need to do is use a peach corrector. This one is actually a peach concealer stick from NY Bay and super affordable and gets the job done. I like to blend the product with my fingers to get the maximum coverage, as finger do not absorb any product. They are the best to blend cream products. I will be using the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand in shade light medium. I'm using it as the first product of my base because I don't want sharp contour. And once I put my other base products, the contour will only peek through the other products, which gives a more natural shadow to the face. I will blend it out using a contour face brush. Now you don't have to be very careful about blending the product, because anyways once you apply the base product it will only show a little on your face. So yeah, you can be messy with the blending. For my brows, I am using the e.l.f. brow gel and slightly grooming my brows with the tiny wand. For no makeup look, I don't like to go through with eyebrow pencil or eyebrow pomade because I feel that it's harsh, but gel or mascara gives a more subtle, natural yet polished look to the brows. Also, I do not have very sparse brows, so this works for me. If you have sparse brows, you can go ahead and do the whole brow pencil or pomade routine. I added the nykaa BB cream for my complexion, and it does seem like a bit dark for my skin tone, so I added Flower Beauty concealer on the natural high points of my face. To brighten the under eyes, I added a tiny bit of Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. This is in the shade C10 and has a peach undertone which brightens the under eye and makes my eyes more awake, kind of. I'm blending it out with my damp beauty blender. For my eyes, I will keep it really simple and use the Chambor Oroso sculpting eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rose Smoke, and I have this one for ages and I didn't realize it's so good. It's creamy, sparkly and blends very nicely with fingers. It gives the eyelids that sheer glow and it doesn't look like you have applied eyeshadow. With the help of a brown eyeshadow, I will tightline my upper lashes and using an angled brush. Make sure you go as close to the natural lash line as possible. In no way should you make it look like a winged liner. Just make it so it gives the illusion of thicker, voluminous lashes. For blush, I'm using the Forest Essential Noor Nikhar cheek tint. This really is so pretty and I applied it on my cheeks and I am obsessed. This is in the shade Gulaabi and is perfect for light or medium skin tones. They have only two shades. The other one is more rusty while this one is brighter pink shade. I will use K-Beauty HD Loose Powder in shade Banana. This step is really important in case you are going out and about. This will keep your makeup intact and make it sweat proof as well. For my lashes, I am curling them up with a curler. This one I got from Amazon and it gets the job done. I'm not a sucker for branded makeup tools. I feel it's more of a technique that breaks or makes the look and not the tools. I will be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara to coat my lashes and I added a bit of Hollywood Flawless Filter on the high points of my cheek and blended out with my beauty blender. Another reason why I love this product, it can be used in so many ways, even on top of your base makeup as a highlighter. Next, I'm taking a brown eye pencil and adding a few fake freckles. The trick is not to try it to be symmetrical. Try to be as random as possible to create fake freckles, and trust me when I say fake freckles are so in nowadays. Using the PAC lip liner in shade Mauve, and this is so close to my natural lip color, I am obsessed with this liner. The formula is rich and creamy as well as overall it's a great lip pencil. I felt like I need a little bit of warmth on my cheek, so I am applying this Kiko Milano bronzer with a contour brush. I'm using very light hand with this one and carefully dusting off the excess without applying it on my face. Adding a bit of powder brush from the Makeup Revolution Reloaded blusher. This is in the shade Lovestruck and it's kind of like a powder version of the Forest Essential Cream blusher that we applied earlier. Also patting it down onto my lips just a bit so as to make it more cohesive. And this is the final look. It's fresh, it's young, and it certainly doesn't look like you have applied a ton of makeup. So guys, if you like today's video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also follow me on Instagram. As always, all the products will be listed in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.